So what we've done here is we've added another light sensor for more reliable line following, and we've also moved them to the inside of the robot so they're closer together, so there's a less gap between where they see the line. So basically in two sensor line following, we want both the light sensors to go forward when they see white, but once one of them sees black, we want the other one to turn. So they'll be going forward, and then when the right one sees black, we know that it's going too far to the left, so we want the left one to move forward. And then when the left one sees black, we know that it's too far to the right, so we want the right one to move.
So to code a line following program with two light sensors, we need to start with a loop. We then need to add a switch inside and set it to reflected light intensity. So we're going to set the color sensor to port 1, since we have two color sensors now, one in port 3. So we took our light readings and took the average, which was around 48. So at the moment it's saying if the color sensor at port 1 measures a reflected light intensity of 48 or less, it's going to do this, meaning if it sees black, it's going to do this, and if it doesn't see black, it's going to do this. So if the light sensor on port 1, which is the light sensor on the left side of the robot, sees black, we want the robot to turn to the right because it means that it's too far left. So we're going to add a large motor and set port C to go on. We're also going to turn the speed down a lot because if the robot line follows too fast, it won't be reliable. If the light sensor at port 1 doesn't see black, we're going to need another switch. Now we're going to ask the robot if the light sensor at port 3 sees black. If port C sees black, it means that the robot's too far to the left. That means we want the left motor to turn on. And 25. Now if neither light sensors are seeing black, it means that both are on white. This means that each wheel of the robot is on the other side of the black line. And in this case, we just want the robot to go straight. So we'll add a move tank and set it on. And set these to 25.